You are relaxing, watching your favorite Netflix show, or maybe you're diving into an incredible podcast. By the way, who are your favorite podcasters? Is it Diary of a CEO or Chris Williamson? Well, in the middle of this podcast, the speaker, native English speaker, drops a phrase. Now, you know all the individual words, but when you put them together, it makes absolutely zero sense. It's like a secret code that no one told you. Now, take a look at this recent post by motivational speaker Mel Robbins. And she says, even when your day feels like it has gone off the rails, gone off the rails, curtain rails, train rails, railway. Okay, I'm going to guess that you are a committed dynamic English student. And what do? Your first instinct is to look it up. So out comes the dictionary, out come the textbooks. But here's why traditional textbooks and dictionaries simply fail you. A standard dictionary definition might show you a train, right? An actual train derailing, going off the tracks. The dictionary definition might tell you about iron tracks, mechanical failures. But Mel Robbins isn't a train. She isn't a locomotive. She isn't a steam engine. So you confused, and that definition is completely useless to you. So word by word translation just doesn't work with native English slang and idiomatic expressions. So here at Real World English Decoded, I take the guesswork out of advanced English. There's no more confusion, no more translating. So today you can take a break, you can take a deep breath, and we'll decode this together. And if you're wondering why are the episodes so short, it's because less is more. I want to work on one phrase at a time, but by the end of 4 minutes, you know it perfectly and you are able to use it. So just think about those episodes that you watch. 2 hours of English. What do you actually get from it at the end? Are you able to remember all those phrases? Are you able to use those phrases? But today, in this mini episode, you are going to get real value. Now, let's approach this in a different way. I'm going to give you 3 sentences, all right? And at the end of the third sentence, I want you to guess what the meaning of that phrase, off the rails, is. Sentence number 1, the party completely went off the rails when the music stopped and people started arguing. The party went off the rails. Number 2, I had a great diet plan, but during the holidays, everything went off the rails. Number 3, our company project went off the rails after we lost our funding. So what do you think it means? To travel by train, to become chaotic, disorganized, or out of control, or to make a mistake? Drop your guess in the comments. Is it A, B, or C? Go ahead, pop your answer in the comments. And if you said B, to become chaotic, disorganized, or out of control, fantastic. You are absolutely right. To go off the rails means a situation has spun completely out of control. It's lost its direction. It has become chaotic. Now, I've got a couple sentences for you. Let's check these out. The festival went off the rails by midnight. The festival went off the rails by midnight. Don't worry, don't worry. We won't let this meeting go off the rails. Where exactly did our strategy go off the rails? Where exactly did our strategy go off the rails? My schedule has gone completely off the rails today. My schedule has gone completely off the rails today. And the event was sent off the rails by bad management. The event was sent off the rails by bad management. Hey, did you notice that we use different grammar forms? Did you see what just happened there? So in just a few minutes with me, you not only learned the true real world meaning of off the rails, you learned it in context, you mastered its usage through positive, negative, question, perfect, and passive structures. You didn't realize that? Well, yes, we did. So you have just upgraded your vocabulary and your grammar in the single session. Now, if you want to stop guessing, if you want to start speaking like a native, well, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That's what all the high achievers do. And if this video was useful, then would you like to give it a thumbs up, a like? And I will see you, yes, in the next decoding session. I'm Nas, and this is English Decoded.